Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Vienna's Beauty, and today it's all about this look. If you're interested, then keep on watching. I've done my brows off camera. If you're interested in how I do my brows, I have a recent brow tutorial on my channel. You can check it out. I'll try to leave a link above for you to click on and see. And I'm starting up with that brown color as my transition color. This is a kind of very soft eye look, and I'm starting up with that color so that it can neutralize the color I'm about to use, which is orange. Now, to make the orange pop some more, I'm going in with the Elegant color corrector. This is a corrector. If you have black spots, you use this concealer to correct those areas, but I'm using it today as my base because I want the orange color to pop out, and I'm using the beauty blender to blend out that base I used just to give it a smooth surface for the eyeshadow. Now I'm going in with that color orange from the palette, the Revolution palette, and I'm just going to use tapping motions to tap that with a flat brush. You can use your fingers, but I'm using a brush for now, and I'm applying it on the areas where I applied the orange corrector. The orange from the Revolution palette I used was too intense. Now I'm going in with the orange from the Juvias Place palette, and I'm packing that on top of the first orange color I've used. This will reduce the intensity of the first color I used, and you can always just play around with your colors to get the satisfaction that you want. This is a soft eye look, so I don't want it very poppy. Next, I'm going in with that greenish kind of brownish color. Does that even make sense? How can I say greenish kind of brownish color? But anyway, I'm going in with that color to just smoke out the orange color, and I'm using very light force. I'm not applying pressure on my brush. The brush is just doing the work, as you can see. And now I'll go over with that orange color again, just to give it some depth. After which I'll proceed to the eyeliner. Please, if you're liking this eye look, go ahead and hit on that subscription button and hit on the notification bell so you can get notified whenever I post. I have lots of things I post on this channel, not just makeup. I just do the makeup because I need to do it to talk about other things, you know. So I'm drawing the dark liner. Now I'll use a cotton bud and a concealer. You can use the cotton bud and a moisturizer, but I'm using a concealer to just sharpen out that eye look. It just makes it easier, and it blends everything if you were to use the concealer brush. I went ahead and applied my lashes. I wanted very dramatic lashes for this look because the look is it's so calm, you know what I mean. It's not too shouty, so I wanted the lashes to just make my eyes pop out, so I went in for the dramatic eyelash. You can go for a natural eyelash if you want. And I use this brush to blend. It's been a while I haven't used this brush, but this is what I use to blend out the foundation. I use the Maybelline foundation and the Wet and Wild, you know, Studio Fix foundation. I'll further go ahead with the damp beauty blender. You know, I never miss this step. Always try to blend out your foundations with a damp what am I talking about? With a damp beauty blender. This makes your face more natural. I cannot emphasize on this enough. It just naturalizes everything, and it reduces the intensity of the foundation, giving you that natural look. Even though you have makeup on, your makeup wouldn't be as if you're putting on a mask. You see some people and it's as if they've just plastered foundation on their face. No, we don't want that. Now I'm going in with the Elegant Pro Concealer to highlight my face. And highlighting is just making the areas you want to pop out. So I'm just putting the concealer where I want the areas to pop out in my English. I blended out the concealer. We've done this so many times, and I don't think it's necessary for me to be repeating it at all the times. And now I'm using this brush to contour. I'm not gonna cream contour. I'm just using the palette from Tara. Yeah, so I'm placing that contour and I'm trying to blend it out at the same time. Now I'm blending out the excess powder. That's the setting powder, and I'm just using light strokes. Guys, sorry about the lighting of this video. I know it was a mess. I struggled with it to no avail. This was the best I could get, and I didn't want my hard work to go in vain, so I just had to post it. So I'm so sorry about it. I'm contouring my nose, and I'm using that angled brush I usually use. This powder palette is from Saharan, and I'm using that powder, the two colors I showed, to set the rest of my face. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this eye look. I know I did a video with this eye look and so many of you liked it, and I had a few requests to do the video. That's why I'm doing this. So to highlight, I'm going to use the Kyle highlighter, and I wanted to show you the name so you could go get it if you're interested. But the lighting, once again, if you have any ideas of how I can adjust my lighting, I'm using an 18-inch ring light. I'll so much appreciate. Thank you so much. And for my blush, I'll use the same orange color I had applied on my eyelids to apply it as my blush. If you don't know precisely where to place the blush, you can smile so as to get your cheeks. So for my lips, I'm gonna use these 3 lip colors, and as you could see from my thumbnail, I later on changed the lips. Those lips, I just wanted to do something a little bit dramatic. If you want to do a photo shoot or you're a movie actor, I just wanted to show you ways in which you can play around with your lips. Just make it dramatic. You can make it different. You can make it unique. Makeup is craft, so get creative. So this is the first lip look I did. You see the upper lip is kind of dark brown and the lower lip is the color you see. To make it kind of match my eyes, I'm applying that same eyeshadow on top of the color that is there. So it's I'm just trying to get creative. I'm using my eyeshadow on my lips. So, and the lipstick I used before was kind of glossy, and when I apply this eyeshadow on it, since the eyeshadow is matte, it just mattifies the lips. So this is another way of mattifying your lips and making your lip color to pop more. I'm going over with that brown color. Yeah, so that's just it. Let me know what you think about these lips on the comments, even though I later on changed it, but it just shows you how creative you can be. It mustn't be with your lips, it might be with anything you're doing. Just always think out of the box. So now I'm gonna apply my setting spray, and this is it, guys. Please subscribe to my channel, watch my videos. I really love you, and I appreciate all those who have been there for me. Thank you for my subscribers. I love you so much, and I'm gonna see you in my next. Bye.